All right, so let's get started with question number 2. We're going to start with example 5. Example 5 asks, how far can an S-wave travel in 9 minutes? So we're talking about the S-wave this time, and we're starting with the time, which is 9 minutes. So since we're starting with the time, we're going to look at our y-axis first, which has the travel time. So our travel time for the S-wave is 9 minutes. Since we're talking about the S-wave, we're going to go towards the right, stop at the S-wave curve, and go down, and this gives us the distance the S-wave travels in 9 minutes. The distance that the S-wave travels in 9 minutes is 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, 2,600 kilometers. The S-wave travels 2,600 kilometers in 9 minutes. Example 6 asks, how far can a P-wave travel in 9 minutes? So we're still starting with the time, which is 9 minutes, but this time we're asked about the P-wave. So we're going to start at 9 minutes, go all the way towards the right, stop at the P-wave curve, and go down, and this gives us the distance the P-wave travels in 9 minutes. The distance that the P-wave travels in 9 minutes is 5,000, 5,200, 5,400, 5,600 kilometers. So the answer is 5,600 kilometers. Pause the video to do example 7 and 8. So example 7 shows how far can an S-wave travel in 6 minutes 40 seconds. So we're given the time again, so we're going to start with the y-axis. 6 minutes 40 seconds is right here. We're asked about the S-wave, so we're going to go towards the right and stop at the S-wave curve, go down, and my S-wave travels 1,800 kilometers because this is 1,000, 1,200, 400, 600, 800. The S-wave travels 1,800 kilometers in 6 minutes and 40 seconds. For example 8, we're asked how far a P-wave can travel in 6 minutes and 40 seconds. We're given the time, so we're going to start at the y-axis at 6 minutes and 40 seconds. We're asked about the P-wave, so we're going to go towards the right, stop at the P-wave curve, go down, and you can see that the P-wave travels 3,000, 3,200, 400, 600, 700. The P-wave travels 3,700 kilometers in 6 minutes and 40 seconds. That's it for this video.